Today we're going to work on writing some words that end with ng. Let's review our sounds. Ang, ing, ong, ung. I'm going to say the word, then we're going to pound it, and then tap the word. I want you to use your paper and pencil and write the word with me. Ready? Number 1. Bang, bang, b-ang, bang. Let's write it together. B-ang, bang. Number 2. The word is king, king, k-ing, king. Let's write it. K-ing, king. We use a K for the k sound in this word because there's an I after it. Number 3, if we look here, we have 2 lines. That reminds us we're going to have a blend here. The word is prong, prong, pr-ong, prong, pr-ong, prong. Number 4 has 3 small lines, so we're going to have a blend with 3 letters here. The word is strung, strung, str-ung, strung. Let's listen close to the first part. Str-ung, strung, strung. Very good. Okay, and the last word we're going to do today has 2 syllables. The word is hangdog, hangdog. The first syllable is hang, h-ang, hang, h-ang, hang. The second syllable is dog, dog, d-og, dog, d-og, dog, hangdog. Let's rewrite the word hangdog. Let's read through our words together now. Ready? Bang, king, prong, strung, hangdog. Great work today.